one. Let's trade paint. 212 is coming out hard. Yeah. Walking to the 20 and we are right to the races. 2-4-U and 212. They're 16. 212 starting in on B4U. Here comes 420. Still running that diesel end up the front end. The new car trying to get a little traction on B4. Oh, put him up on the hedge and set him down. The south end has got a little car pileup on this. 212 can't seem to get out. Number 5's in there. Number 36 is in there. Number 5 broke free. He's coming out 82. 5 in the double O, triple O. Oh, 212 is making room. 212 broke free out of the corner.
Woo! Yeah! Woo-hoo!
20 yards looking. 212 is free and on the loose again. Hey, let's stay off them driver's sides. Oh, we lost the radiator now. Moves out running. 212's hunting somebody. 82's looking 16 boxed him in. I believe that 65 looking at the 212. Here we go to 66. '65 coming in hard on the 212. A major pile up down on the south end. You bet everybody's going to gang up on 420 and say, oh, major steam blowing the center of the pit. Looks like Old Faithful going up on that little guy. 65 still on the ride. The blue car moving back and forth. 82 is still alive and well. 66 is on the run. Oh, just missed him out there. Head on. We have a fire on 212. It's all right. It's exhaust. It's exhaust. He's okay. He's okay. Oh, he got a little more fire in that alcohol in the 212. 420 is pitching bad. Moves on the move. 2-4-U is still out running hot. 16 is on the move. They are going to make a compact out of 66 before the night is finished with it. 65, 66, there you go. Number 5 blowing steam, 65 blowing steam. 212 is cranking on. Nice stop. cranking horses out there. 212 on the move. Before you, moves up. 66 is still on. Oh, Moo just missed him. Had his 10 to the front end and missed him. Before you, sneaking around the corner. There goes a pile up in the center of the pit again.
No, don't stand up.
212 still trying to ignite that car out there a little bit. Gets him lit up.
Do it!
Oh, Moo with a good connection on Before You. The Moo car's out there. Oh, he's hit hunting the 212. Nice chase on it. 20R still running 65. The 212 into him. Nice connection. That may have locked him up. That may have locked him in. 212, no, 212's on the move again. The Moo car coming into it. Moo takes 212 over to the side, he moves out of it. 20R coming around, 212 connects with him, gonna try to dozer him over. Eight, 6, 3, 095's out there on the move. 20R still on the move. 212 is on the move. 212 coming in! Whoa, nice connection, nice gonna doze him in! 20R getting out of his way! Everybody's trying to relight pilot lights. Before You still on the move on the north end of the track. Before You, the Moo car's back up. 8675309 is on the move. 20R looking around. Coming in on the Moo car.
He's trying to get Eric and Steph right now.
Before You, the 20R, 212 is on the move. 8675309 is still moving out there. 16 went down. We got 4 in the field. In the center of the pit. 865-309 still trading paint. 20R trading paint. Before You's on the move. 212 is on the move. Oh, not a good place for 20R to be stuck.
Come on, Dad. Go.
20R looks a little bit jammed up in there. 212.
Daddy, look at this. You can't start it.
Do they gain money?
They used to.